sync here with the clicker. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Top of the morning to you, BNI Nexus team and special guests. Today I hope to inspire and educate you on a few different topics of financing real estate in Florida. Before we dig in, I'd like to share a little bit about my personal life. I was born and raised in St. Petersburg, Florida. I absolutely love it here. This is my daughter Jennifer with her husband James and her two children, my grandkiddos, Carly and Gavin. I am the oldest of three with my sister Janet and my brother Tom. And this is my newest addition, Bailey Boo. She just adds so much fun and joy, and I love her to death. Let's see, I love to travel and be outdoors. I try to go on at least 2 big trips every year. About 2.5 months ago, I traveled to Fiji with a single travel group. Absolutely love that. I also enjoy boating, both power and sail. I go on a couple of poker runs every year. I sail from St. Pete to Mexico as well as Pensacola. And there's nothing like being on the water for 3 or 4 solid days at a time. I really enjoy it. I sit on the board of a nonprofit called Music Street Music, which helps kids with illnesses and disabilities through the power of music therapy. It's a very worthy charity, and I absolutely love being involved with it. So I encourage you to put your real estate investor hat on for a minute. Think like an investor. As a real estate investor, you buy investment property to generate passive income through rents. You gain tax benefits, and you can either flip the property or hold on to the property for bigger profits years later. There are several ways to finance investment property. You can get a conventional loan, home equity loan or lines of credit, or get a cash out refinance from your existing property. You can run it through a self-directed IRA if you have an IRA. You can get seller financing, private financing, or other people's money, again, if it's an option. You can get a personal loan from a family or friend, if it's an option. You can create joint venture partners where you share in the equity. You can get a lien against other assets if you've got vacant land or something like that. And then of course there's hard money. This is typically the highest rates and fees, but it is an option. Just like your primary residence, there are also tax benefits of owning investment property. And of course, when you hold on to the investment property and you have the right tenant, you reap the rewards of gaining rental income along with appreciation for however long you own the property, which again will give you the biggest profits. In case you're not aware, rents are extremely high these days. We're going too fast, sorry. According to rentcafe.com, the average rent in St. Pete is $1,975 per month. Rising rents and rising values is a win-win for a real estate owner investor today. Here we go, all right, next. And speaking of rising rents, if you or someone you know is stuck in a rut paying high rent and would like to buy a house or a condo or any other property type here in Florida, that would be a great referral for me. So let's switch gears next and talk about owning your primary residence. There are lots of advantages. First, again, is tax breaks. Who likes to pay taxes? No one. When you own your primary residence and you have a mortgage, I encourage you to talk with Andra and get the maximum write-offs. Every year, you can write things off like, next, mortgage interest and real estate taxes. Next, discount points or mortgage insurance, they're tax deductible. If you work from home, you may be eligible for a home office deduction, along with writing off depreciation, insurance, repairs, security system and utilities. Moving expenses and solar credits are also tax deductible. Medically necessary home improvements are tax deductible. And if you sell your home, you get a capital gains deduction when you sell your property. And then there are intangible benefits next of owning your own home, such as a sense of stability, comfort, and joy, and pride of ownership. It's your house to paint it any color you want to. Choose your own flooring. Anybody recognize that flooring logo there, Mr. Bryan? And or install a new kitchen or pool or put holes wherever you want to. And of course, as the value increases, you build equity. The types of properties I offer financing on include a house, condo, townhome, PUD, 1 to 4 units such as a duplex or a triplex, An office building such as a commercial building such as an office building. Next, and there you got it. And again, the property can be used for your primary residence, second home, or investment property. The types of financing I offer are conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, jumbo, reverse mortgages, bank statement loans, hard money, and commercial financing. Here's a fun fact. You do not need a 20% down payment to buy a house. 0 down for veterans and 3% down for conventional. What sets me apart from other mortgage brokers? You slow it down, please. Education. There are so many different loan scenarios, programs, down payment options, credit, and pricing variations. I've helped hundreds of people to bump up their credit scores so they can lock in a better interest rate. Saving money. Next. Thank you. Big money. I have a laundry list of happy customers who have helped both save hundreds and thousands of dollars by making suggestions and being involved with each transaction, each situation. And finally is confidentiality. This is a serious business. Not that we won't laugh along the way, because we will, but I don't share anyone's information without their consent, period. I need your help. My business relies solely on referrals. This has been a terrible year for me financially in the mortgage business, mainly because most of the people here are cash buyers, and now the market has slowed down. I am looking to help home buyers, homeowners, and real estate investors who need financing. Next. Think about people who are renting, relocating, having a baby, or getting married, and thinking about buying property in Florida. And homeowners who can benefit by refinancing, whether it's to convert a balloon note to a fixed rate, or cash out for any reason, or if you know someone who's getting a divorce who can benefit by refinancing. Next. Good referrals are full-time real estate agents, financial planners, CPAs, estate planning attorneys, and real estate attorneys. I'd appreciate your introductions to anyone you know in these professions. Next. Yeah, you got it. I want to express a sincere thank you to BNI Nexus and all of you who have supported me through the years, as well as our new members and visitors. I truly appreciate all of your support. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. In closing, here are 2 quotes that I'd like to leave you with. The first comes from Gary Keller, whose net worth is over $200 million. Remember, anyone can do it. Not everyone will. The only question is, will you? And lastly, when you want good, trustworthy service with your real estate financing, what do? Call Jeannie at 822-2222.